Hey guys, welcome back. We got some more Rebel Clash packs to open for you. I got 9 more packs here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these Rebel Clash openings because I am absolutely in love with this set so far. I've been having a lot of luck with it. But let's not waste any time. Get into these packs. See what we have in store. Alright, this pack's going to start with a Metal type energy, Skunk Tank, more Pico, Capacious Bucket, Wingull, Coughing, Bronzor, Toxel, Litwick, Scoop Up Net Reverse, and a Trevenant Regular Rare. Alright, we back to regular rare starts to videos. Nice. If you can't tell that was sarcasm, I'm not sure what to tell you. Although, to be fair, it's a regular rare that I don't have yet, so I'll take it. I'm actually not that mad about it. Alright. Next pack here. Code card if you're playing the Pokemon online trading card game. So we have a Psychic type energy, Burning Scarf, Oleana, Luxio, Stunky, Clefairy, not a fairy type, Sad Days, Voltorb, Nose Pass, Wingull, Magmar Reverse, and a Galarian Runerigus regular rare. That is one I do have, so unfortunate with that one. I am a little upset with that one. Next pack here. Metal type energy, Heatmore, Xatu, Tranquil, Scyther, Volibee, Dreepy, Magmar, Galarian Yamask, Pit of Reverse, hey, Appleton, holographic, nice looking holographic. One of my favorite Galarian Pokemon too. He's pretty sweet. Let's throw that into a sleeve. Perfect. Alright, we got, 5 packs to go. Let's get into them. Kind of spread out the cards on that one when I opened it, so hopefully I didn't ruin anything. Didn't look like too much when I got a gander, but we'll see. We got a water type energy, Indeedee, Charjabug, Metapod, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Sandygast, Roly-Coly, Doublade Reverse, and Abomasnow regular rare. So far, not too good with this opening. We got 2 rares that I need and 2 rares that I don't. Okay, 4 packs to go. Let's see what we got here. Let's slide it out a little nicer so I don't give away any potential borders here. Alright, Grass type energy, Turffield Stadium, Lombre, Halucha, Dreepy, Magmar, Galarian Yamask, Surskit, Stuffle, Skunk, Skunk Tank Reverse, and a Galarian Darmanitan. I got tongue-tied with those last two cards there. Not sure why Darmanitan was so hard for me to say, but nevertheless. Alright. Code card for you. For the front, Electric type energy, Galarmine, Bronzong, Metapod, Barboach, Squavit, Applin, Timpole, Trubbish, Charjabug Reverse, and an Unpheasant regular rare. That is a regular rare that I do need as well, so can't be too mad. Hopefully these last 3 packs give me at least an ultra rare pull, because if I go without an ultra rare pull this video, I'll be a little upset. I wasted all my luck on my last video, I suppose. If you haven't watched it yet, you should go take a look-see. Pretty hype video. Alright, fighting type energy. Pelipper, Palossand, Milo, Litwick, Galarian Corsola, Binnacle, Scyther, Volibee, Lombre Reverse, hey, Ice QV. Nice. We have an ultra rare pull. Let's go. Alright. Throw that in a sleeve. Very, very nice. Alright, next pack. We got some Toxtricity pack art. Maybe Toxtricity will bring us some good luck. Alright, we got a fire type energy, Chatot, Drakloak, Lampent, Metatite, Stunky, Grubbin, Wingull, Natu, Ludicolo Reverse. That is a reverse rare. Nice. Hey, and a Sigilif regular rare. I was a lot more excited because I really like this Pokemon and I like this artwork. It is a regular rare, but it's one I need. And it's some nice artwork, so I'll take it. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we get some last pack magic going. Alright, last pack of the video, and then we'll go grab our binder and add some cards. But we got a Metacham, Beware, Speed Energy, Applin, Timepole, Trubbish, Helioptile, Honedge, Shinx Reverse, hey, and an SQ holographic. How convenient. What a coincidence. Alright. I forgot to throw that in a sleeve real quick. And if you missed any of my other Sword and Shield openings, or if this is one of your first videos of mine, I really do like the holographic pattern from the new sets, from the Sword and Shield era of the Pokemon TCG. They look like the flashing night lights that you see in front of like stadiums and stuff. I think it's really cool. But without further ado, let me clean this up a little bit. Let me go grab my binder and let's see what cards we can add to my collection. All right, we got the binder here, ready to go. let's take a look and see what we can add. I did take out some of the cards that I was certain that I already have in my set already, and left the ones I'm either not too sure about or I know I need. So we start with Trevenant, number 15 out of 192. He goes right there. Next is Time Pole, number 44. Should be next to Palpitoad. There we are. Alright, now we got Chargebug, number 65. Next page. Right up there. And then I have Helioptile. I didn't know I already had them. Next we got Xatu, number 77. Right there next to Natu. Perfect. Indeedee is next on the list at 88. So Glaring Corso is 78. Yeah, that's what that looks like. Alright, Indeedee goes right here next to Dreepy. Sweet, we got a Sandygast, which is on the last page since Pilosand is up there. And Sigilif is right next to Sandygast. There we are, perfect. Alright, next we go into our fighting or rock type Pokemon. And we have Nosepass here at number 96. Galarian Farfetch'd is 94. So Nosepass should be right there. Next we have Yamask at 101, which is right up here for Whiscash. Yep, there we go. Oh, of course, it's right next to Galarian Runerigus. Not sure why I didn't put that together. But Medicham, right here next to Meditite. Perfect. And Dark-type Pokemon. Alright, so that is the reverse slot. And Stunktink, regular print right behind it. Next we have Coughing at 112, which is right here. Volibee at 119. Garbodor looks like 118, so Volibee there. Trubbish is right here at 117, right before Garbodor. Oh, already got Bronzong. Already got Honedge. So next is Unpheasant with the normal type Pokemon. So we got Tranquil here at 144, Unpheasant up here at 145. Halucha at 148, right here before Stuffle. Oh, and I do have Stuffle already in the regular print of the card. Next we got Chatot at 142, which is right here, 2 before Tranquil. And then next we got a couple trainers here. So we got Capacious, Bucket, and Burning Scarf, which is 155 and 156 respectively. And that should be right here and right here. Sweet. Okay, next we have our actual pulls of the video. So we got 2 holographics and an ultra rare pull. from 9 packs. It's not too bad, 33%. It's an F if we are looking at it from school terms, but you know, we take what we can get, right? Okay, so we got Appleton at number 23. Should be next to Applin up here. So the last Applin there is 121, so this should be 123, and I'm assuming Flapple is probably 22. And then next we got SQ or Ice Q at 54 and 55. In the set, Palpitoad is 45, so it should be on this page. Yeah, so Ice Q holographic is right there. And Ice Q V is right next to Voltorb at 55. Hey, I think this is our first page that's actually completed in the binder. So that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I don't think there's any other pages that are completely full. So that's cool. And next is our reverse holographic slots here. So we need to go back to grass type. Ludicolo reverse right here. Lombre reverse here. Shinx reverse is over here. Knocking out a lot of reverse slots, which is very, very nice. I'm glad I'm not doubling up on any of those yet. We got a Skunk Tank reverse, which actually I think I might have spoke too soon, because I believe that is sure is. All right. Well, we got one double up. All right, so we have Doublade and then Pidove, which actually, Pidove, I don't even think I have the normal print of the card yet. Nope. 143, yeah, right here. So I gotta keep an eye out. Sorry, you guys didn't even see me put it in. But Pidove there. I was saying I need to, here actually before we go to Magmar, let's throw in Scoop Up Net. Yeah, right up there. And Magmar. Way back here. All right. Perfect. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys are enjoying these Rebel Clash openings. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Applin there is 121, so this should be 123, and I'm assuming Flapple is probably 22. And then next we got SQ or Ice Q at 54 and 55. In the set, Palpitoad is 45, so it should be on this page. Yeah, so Ice Q holographic is right there. And Ice Q V is right next to Voltorb at 55. Hey, I think this is our first page that's actually completed in the binder. So that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I don't think there's any other pages that are completely full. So that's cool. And next is our reverse holographic slots here. So we need to go back to grass type, Ludicolo reverse right here, Lombre reverse here, Shinx reverse is over here. Knocking out a lot of reverse slots, which is very, very nice. I'm glad I'm not doubling up on any of those yet. We got a Skunk Tank reverse, which actually I think I might have spoke too soon, because I believe that is sure is. All right, well, we got one double up. All right, so we have Doublade and then Pidove, which actually Pidove, I don't even think I have the normal print of the card yet. Nope. 143, yeah, right here. So I gotta keep an eye out. Sorry, you guys didn't even see me put it in. But Pidove there. I was saying I need to, here actually before we go to Magmar, let's throw in Scoop Up Net. Yeah, right up there. And Magmar. Way back here. All right. Perfect. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys are enjoying these Rebel Clash openings. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.